Session friends, today we are going to discuss about the cotton. We know that cotton is a natural fiber. Jute, hemp, cotton, all these are the example of the natural fiber. Now cotton is mainly a very soft fiber. We can say it is a very soft fiber. The cotton seeds are surrounded by the cotton fiber. If it is a seed of the cotton and it is surrounded by the cotton fiber, so it is called as a cotton ball also. Cotton ball, and its shape is like lemon. So when we talk about cotton, what are the main conditions to grow the cotton? In simplest way you can learn it that 100 upon 25 WBC. So 100 means about 100 centimeter rainfall is necessary for growing the cotton. 100 centimeter rainfall, 25 degree centigrade temperature is necessary for growing the cotton. Warm climate as well as black soil are very necessary if we are growing the cotton. So these are the necessity, the normal conditions in which cotton can be grow. 100 centimeter rainfall is necessary, about 70 to 100 centimeter we can say. Then 25 degrees centigrade temperature is necessary. Warm climate is necessary, and black soil are necessary if we are growing the cotton. If we are talking about India, in India main states where the cotton is grown are Maharashtra, Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, Gujarat and Tamil Nadu. The general height of that plant is about 1 to 2 meter. So these are the basic characteristics of the cotton. Now we are talking about how the cultivation of the cotton occur. So our next topic related to cotton is cultivation of the cotton. Cultivation of the cotton. If we are growing the cotton, the whole process occur in India in about March to November. We seeing the seeds of the cotton in March and the harvesting process occur in the November. So in easy way we can say M to N. It is a process of M to N, March to November. So in first condition, at the large area well prepared field, we grow the cotton plant. On the large area, we grow the cotton plant. The growth of these plants are very steadily, and regularly they grow, slowly they grow, and after a particular time there is the formation of seeds. There is the formation of the seeds, and after sometimes in the time of sun, when the sun dries, there is a formation of it. The seeds are burst and the fibers comes out from the seeds, and there is the formation of cotton balls. In diagram we can say there are cotton balls can be seen like this, that it is the cotton seeds are inside the cotton ball, inside these cotton fibers. So these are the examples related to, if you are seeing this in this laptop, that all these are the area where cotton are grown, and it looks like there is a snow is occurring in that particular area. Sun dries these cotton fibers, and after this, in the time of the November, harvesting process occur, and by the process of harvesting, by the process of machines, by using the machines, or by the using, if there are small area, they are cultivated by the hand we can cultivate that particular cotton. So this is the whole process related to cultivation of the cotton. Now we can say what are the uses of the cotton. So main uses of the cotton, we know that cotton is very useful for making the clothes. It is very useful for making the fabrics like t-shirts, socks, frocks. So these saris, so main clothes are made up from the cotton. Second, the cotton clothes are very comfortable to wear. They are very comfortable to wear. Air can easily pass from the cotton fabric, so they are very comfortable to wear. Third, we can say that if there are some injuries in our body, pus occur in our body, so they absorb the blood as well as pus. So cotton can absorb blood and pus if there are some injuries occur in our body. There are some explosives occur like gun cotton. Gun cotton is an explosive which are made up from the cotton. Next we can say that cotton is very useful to making different in puja. When we are using the making the bati, cotton are very useful, and some mixed fibers are also made by the using the cotton. For example, if we are mixing some synthetic fibers by the help of cotton, there are formation of some mixed fiber. So these mixed fiber are made up from the cotton. For example, if we are terracotta is the example in which terylene as well as cotton are mixed. So mixed fibers are also made from the cotton. So these are some uses of the cotton. Now how the whole process occur, we talk about the cultivation of the cotton plant. Now the next process is how a particular cotton fiber convert into the cotton fabric. We are talking about cotton fiber is converted into cotton fabric. In next class we will discuss these process, that how cotton fiber which are harvested from the hand or which is harvested from the machines, then it is in the form of which condition, that there is a seed is also present and that fiber are also present. The next stage is how to remove such seeds. So there are some processes by which fiber is converted into the cotton fabric. In some way I only naming such processes. The first process is called as the ginning, second is called as the spinning, third is called as the weaving. So these processes are occur by which a cotton fiber is converted into cotton fabric. In next class we will discuss in detail all these processes, how a cotton fiber convert into the cotton cloth. Thank you.